Hi, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today we're going to be making buzzard bites from World of Warcraft. So let's grab your buzzard and jump right in. Let's start off with putting some rice on using the method of your choice. For me, it's stovetop. Off to one side in a bowl, put your soy sauce, honey, and a smidge of chili flakes. Then whisk it all together until thoroughly combined. By this time, if you're using the stovetop method, your rice should be ready to steam, so turn it off and leave it to steam for 10 minutes or slightly longer. Having dealt with the rice, it's time to focus on the buzzard, chicken. In an oiled pan, add your chicken breast and cook it until it's golden brown on the outside and cooked through. Since the chicken is done, add your sauce, and if it's too hot, just lift the pan off the heat and continue to coat the chicken, but return it to the heat every now and again. Just make sure not to cook the liquid completely away. Now serve with a salad of your choice on a bed of rice. I hope that you've enjoyed learning how to make buzzard bites with me today. Don't forget to leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see made, along with hitting that subscribe button to stay informed when the next video comes out of the oven. So, until next time, enjoy the kitchen.